press. Cardi don't need more press. Kill them all, put them to rest. Walk in bulletproof vest. Please tell me who she gon' check. Murder scene, Cardi made a mess. Pop up, guess who? Pop up, guess who? Ding dong. Must be that whip that I ordered. And a new grip for my daughter. You know a bad gon' spoil her. Got one in New York, need one in Georgia. New Bentley truck is a quarter. My money still long like weed. Still wet like Florida.
What's up, you guys? So today we're gonna talk about how my cousin almost blew up yesterday. So yesterday was the 4th of July, right? So our uncle, I was at my aunt and aunt. Sorry, I was at my auntie's house, right? So her and her husband, but also my uncle, they had bought. Well, my uncle bought fireworks and stuff like that. So it was like, first it was these little bitty ones that just flew up in the sky and then popped. But it wasn't like like the big fireworks. So first we're just doing those, having fun. We made s'mores or whatever. I think I got a clip of that. I'm gonna put it in this video or whatever. But we had s'mores and stuff, and we was having a good old time. Like, we was having fun, because all of our guests left and all that stuff, all their kids and stuff. So we was just having family time. We was having a good time, whatever. So we were just lighting those little things. It was like a thing on a stick. Like, it had a stick. We just put it in like a water bottle or a can with water in it. So if it like blew up, it like we could put it out with something, basically. So we had a big bonfire, like in the middle of their backyard, because they have like this metal thing that you can bonfire in. And then we also we had like I said, a little firework thing that just go up in the air and they pop, like go like pop, whatever. So most of y'all probably see my voice going out. But anyway, so we was doing that, having a good time. But then one of them flew. It didn't go up to the air. It just stayed right there. It flew up, then it started going down, and it flew up in the chair. And yeah, then another one flew by the house, but it didn't catch on fire or whatever. But once we started going outside of the gate of their house, that's when we started doing like the big fireworks. The ones that you see in the sky and stuff, that make the biggest ones that go all the way up there, whatever. So, we had 6 of those, so we were doing all of those, and we had to put on, that little can thing or whatever, that little can thing, and that was honestly my first time. That was honestly my first time, having like fireworks and stuff like that. Well, like big fireworks. Anyways, so we had 6 of them. We only got to do 5 because the 5th one blew up the whole thing. Like, it blew up the can and stuff. So I don't know if we call her dumb, but at that moment she wasn't being very smart, to say that. So my cousin's 8 or whatever, and she was helping her dad like do this fireworks stuff, and so when it blew up, like, it was fire, like not like fire, but little, like, the ashes, they were like still hot, like they were like still orange, like they were still hot, like you had to set it on fire to do fireworks, blah blah blah. So her and my brother was stomping out the fireworks, like the ashes or whatever, that was still lit. So my cousin, on the 5th one, she said, let me show you, I'm gonna tell you exactly what she did. So say this chair right here, say this is like the firework or whatever. So this is what she did. So her dad lit it up. Everybody else, like, we was way back there, like where that pole is right there. So everybody else run back. So this is what she does. She does exactly like this. She did this. And she came back up. And we said, Zoe, back up. But she wouldn't back up. And then we had to tell her one more time. She said, fine. So she backed up. She backed up. and that thing exploded. It didn't go into the air. It just went like this, like it went frontward, like. So if she didn't back up, her face would have been all burnt up. And then it's like she didn't understand that for some reason. Like she just wanted to stand there. We saved her life, or her face per se. So all day, not all day, but all that night, we had to clean up the kitchen or whatever, you know. And kids that are old enough to clean the kitchen, y'all know what I'm talking about. So we had to clean the kitchen or whatever. And Zoe, she had to help us, whatever. So we just kept bringing up the fact that that she always got her face blown up, like we would say little things like this. Like, hold on, let me see. I can't even remember. Right now I'm back in Columbus because we was in Atlanta yesterday. But what was I saying? What? Oh my God, what would we be saying, Jesus? Oh, we were saying things like, like she was like, cause we was making cookies that night, so she was close to the oven. We said, Zoe, better back up for your face get burnt off, or get blown up. Or we would say things like, Zoe, you alright? Is your face alright? So happy to get blown off. Like, we were just keeping up the fact that her face almost got blew up or blown off because she was being hard-headed and she didn't want to listen. So we just kept bringing up the fact that her head, not her head, but her face almost got blown off or scorched up or however you want to say it. So, and she kept on getting like irritated and stuff. She was like, oh my gosh, can y'all guys please stop saying that? And then, like, you know those little those popper things, like when you throw it at people, like or throw it at the ground and pop. So when she was mad or whatever, so she decided to throw that at our feet and stuff. But her brother Mikey was throwing it at our heads, like our face and stuff. But it never popped on me, so I was fine. But he was throwing them though. So anyways, she decided to get those poppers and throw them at us. One landed in the fire. Jesus. But it landed in the fire. But we thought she blew up the fire or whatever, because like it all went up, like, you know how when fire's a lot of fire, it just go up like flames, like that, whatever. She threw that. She threw it in there, but we thought it was her, but it wasn't that. It was just because our cousin put lighter fluid on it, so that wasn't really. Probably shouldn't. I'm probably gonna end it out with this video, but if I don't, oh well. Anywho, we had these dynamite things, like a pack. I don't know how to. I don't know how. I'm gonna put up a picture like right here or right here of one of those dynamite things, because I don't know how to explain it. But I'm gonna show a picture of those dynamite rounds right here, right here, or right here, or right here. I don't know, anywhere. Okay. So yeah, and then basically after that, in the shallow. My bad. Sorry, I just zoned out for a second there. But basically, what was I talking about? Oh, the dynamite rounds. Put it right here, right here. And so, that being said, we put it in the bonfire, but the fire was already out, so we just lit it up on fire. Then we threw it into the thing and we ran back. We ran away. Not like run away. Y'all know what I mean. Y'all back up so we wouldn't get burnt off, like my cousin almost did. But anyway, so yeah, so we put in the thing, and that thing's going crazy. It was popping. Clearly, it's fireworks. So what else do you want to do? I know y'all probably saying that, but yeah. Anyways, so it was popping or whatever. So, you know, poppity here, poppity there, poppity everywhere. You heard me. So, with that being said, I was trying to get their reaction to see if they was gonna be like scared or whatever. But my cousin, he just sitting there like, He's sitting there smiling and happy and stuff. I was happy. I wasn't happy, but I don't know it just made me laugh. But the last one, it made my skin crawl, made me cringe. So yeah. So basically, that was the story about my cousin almost getting her face burnt off. So yeah, that is all for this video today, guys. I need y'all to like, I need y'all to comment, and I need y'all to subscribe, please. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We only got 14 subscribers right now, but we're getting there. We're climbing that ladder to success. So, like I said, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all can get all the new videos that I post. And yeah, see you when we get to 15.
I just do that one here. Yeah, pop.
You know, big feathers?
That's it! Yeah, that was fun.
It costs like
Daddy can.
Of course, big fish Joshua. Eat it.
So we about to pop this big festival balls thingy here.
We do dangerous stuff around these parts.
Yeah.
Dangerous.
So we about to get a little dangerous up in here.
Up in here, up in here. Keisha, come up in here.
There go the lady that helped supply everything.
The beautiful lady of the century. Give me some sugar. I love you, T.
Look at her. Look at those lashes popping. Earrings popping. Outfit popping. But she popping daily, 24/7. That hair look good. That hair look good, girl.
Yes, ma'am.
Popping. Tell him you popping. Tell him you popping.
Popping? I'm popping.
You popping.
Popping.
You popping.
Oh.
Look, 4th of July, ready, honey. She love the kids. She love all the kids.
She has adopted 8.
Well, kids love the kids.
She's adopted 7 children.
Where your mama at?
Don't know about the 8th one. You got smacked.
What you said you gonna do, Mikey?
Next, she's talking about Sarah. All right, now when some call out them bushes, you send me right.
So, Mikey, you're gonna slap her.
Ooh, your head would have been gone.
Your feet on the floor, sir.
He took her head off. He said, wow. That would have been funny. Okay, Mikey, will you bust your butt?
Mikey, you wanna take karate classes?
Oh, that's scary prison. That was a snake. I was confused. I'm here.
Here go Miss Queen Zoe.
Start the firework in the flesh.
All right, you ready?
Let's do this.
Hey, why upside
Let's
down?
do this.
Is it upside down?
There you go. Move.
Huna.
Just like this.
No! That jump look fine. That was too fast.
Why are you stepping?
Yeah, make sure it don't catch on fire. We don't see.
Right.
Stop on it, kick on it. Yeah, there's like it did all the fireworks.
It's cool net. Do you?
Can make you fall into the sky.
I'm trying, girl.
Beautiful. That's so beautiful.
So we had red, green.
Step on that. Step on that.
We got 4 more colors. It's supposed to be 6.
I knew it. Step on it.
He's gonna make that color, Mikey. I know it.
You're programming my phone.
Yes, Mikey.
Let's do this.
Over here.
Let's do this.
You gotta go up in the sky when you go up. You gotta follow it.
Yo, that was a pretty picture. That was cute.
You need to send me this
Other
video. If
than
you don't send me
that.
this video, I'm gonna destroy it.
You watch on the side. Baby, I'm leprechaun ready. You heard me?
Leprechaun.
Leprechaun ready. Oh, baby, your phone would have been gone. You about to get Mikey's phone. Duncan does 16.
Ew.
Let's do this.
Orange.
Whoa,
That was another pretty picture.
Hey, hold on. It costs a little like this.
Say it one more time.
I said it costs a little like this.
But you don't get me, son.
Mikey, you too hyper for me.
That means they won't go to sleep tonight.
Oh.
Have you ever hit your mama because it was like a bug on her?
Run!
Zoe, you
Zoe, back up for your face burn off.
you big dummy.
That
Go,
you.
Zoe, about there.
That you for saying that. That you. That you for saying that.
Man, my ear! Yo! Yo, my ears!
Thank you for telling that to back up before you get hurt. And
Yeah!
Thank you.
Yo, my ears, bro! Like, I cannot hear! Zoe, if you would have stand there,
Stayed in front of that man, you would've blew your face off.
pull your face off. Yeah!
Yo, go show Nana.
But you don't get me.
Mikey, you too hyper.
That was a family.
That means they won't go to sleep tonight.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Have you ever hit your mama because it was like a bug on her?
Oh, run, back.
Run.
Zoe, back up.
Face burn off.
And let him have it.
Big dummy.
Go, Zoe, about there.